dinosaur time! This is Victoria University Kelburn campus, and this complex is really large, and here you have a variety of some nice old lifts, except sadly you even have a variety of modernised lifts and brand new elevators as well. Anyways, this complex is really large and really nice, and you have like a mixture of Otis, Schindler and Kona. Yep, all three major lift companies installed lifts here. Anyways, now we go to the first lift, which is the lift in the old hub. This used to be a BOIII lift, except it sadly got modernised by Schindler in the 2000s. And this lift is hydraulic.
Okay, this is the lift at the Victoria building. I think this is the lecture theatre building. This is an awesome Schindler M-series. I think it's hydraulic. I'm level 2 now. Small indicator here. Yep, it's hydraulic. Oh, so here's the ground. Oh, door pushing control. Heavy. Oh, this is hydraulic. Who know it? Anyways, here's these non-personal buttons. Emergency telephone, isolation switch. Button go out. We're on the ground floor. And that's what it looks like on the ground floor. That's weird. That's your chair. And yeah, this is on the ground floor. Let's go. Let's go up. Well, that's your chair again. Let's go up to. Let's go back up to floor 2. What's the indicator? Yeah, this is hydraulic. Oh, there goes a clunk. But we missed something. The lightning and the timing. Doors open. Oh, fan switch. Button goes in. Oh, really unique elevator this is. Oh, let's big weird. And let's go, and that's it.
And now we go to von Zitter's building, which has some nice 70s old lifts, but sadly the buttons have been replaced with Otis concave fixtures in the 2000s. That's disappointing. Anyways, let's ride them.
Okay, these are the lifts in the von Zitter's building. Okay, awesome Otis season. Oh dear, the buttons are being replaced. Oh, down doesn't work. Up does. Oh, that's odd. I'm going to go out. Button's stuck. Oh, it's down. Oh my gosh, I called both lifts. Let's go down to 0. Cab view. Oh, let's see lightning. Lights replaced. Computer.
Is it nice?
Oh my gosh, it's got a peak.
No.
Button go out.
You did a good job.
That's your funny code. Let's go to 1. Take a look at the exit. Capacity 6 plus 125 kilograms. Button go out. And as you can see, first floor. Oh dear, it doesn't even have an indicator. Yeah, that's the emergency valve. We can switch. Let's go up. Get this one this time. Let's go up to 9. I think 0 has an indicator.
believe it.
Then we go back down to 3. 2 burned out.
Look, she's got a huge tattoo on her arm. Awful, eh?
Let's go back down to 3.
Exciting.
All clothes works. Oh my gosh, down's burnt
She
out.
looks old. Maybe we took one just my age with one of those.
We're at the 8th floor, picking someone up.
Which is good.
Anyone getting off? No? Oh. Oh, if you don't know what that was your charm.
Pays not to do stuff to yourself that you can't change your mind.
You're out
about.
3rd floor, but
I did a temporary tattoo.
It's alright.
and oh, I do not know if that was a chime or what. And there it goes, and that's it.
And now we go to the Hunter building, which has some Asian Otis lifts and elevators. But sadly, it reminds me of a place with Schindler D8 fixtures. That is so annoying. But these have still have original indicators. And they have a voice fitted in as well. And the announcement is pretty long. Let's ride them.
These are the lifts in the Murphy building, and these are also in the other section. Oh dear, the butts are being replaced. Let's go down first. Which one's to go? These are incredibly busy. Is the bun still on? Oh, down didn't work. Up does. Oh dear, I missed it! Oh shoot. Oh dear, I lost it. Oh my gosh. Which lifts to go? Anyways, take a look. Ah, here's a lift. Here's a lift. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that? Back first before we go to a tower. Alright. Okay, that was just random. Let's go take a look at the lifts now. Coming, Mum. Oh, that goes. Wait. 3 and 4, the accessible route. Down. First, I accidentally pressed up before because I thought it was broken. Here's the elevator and
Main foyer bridge. Indicating wheelchair access.
down
Going
to
down.
1. Let's take a look at the candy. And oh dear, it's had a generic voice added. Capacity photographs. 10 kilograms. Your lightning talent.
Lift stopping level 1. Counting for
There is a. Oh, there's. Let's go to 11. That's your door close button. In code. Just a bit. Let's take a look at the harder. You're out limit 4.
Lift stopping level 11.
And now, level 11 doesn't actually have an indicator. Oh, let's see if we get a different lift this time. Had a horrid generic voice when we got that one. Okay, and this time let's go down to 4. Oh my gosh, that's your charm. Come on, come in. Mummy can come in now. Let's go down to 4 because... Oh, Mum. Let's go door close. Indicator again. Slopes. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't receive my call.
No, definitely not in the universe.
That's a high indicator.
Naughty.
Jeez, there's. What is the bubbles going?
Lift
Left.
stopping level 4. Bridge and wheelchair toilet.
Oh, let's see what indicator. And yep, there are indicators on level 4, and that's it.
And now we go to the lift in Kirk and Old Kirk building, which used to be a 70s Dodge, but it got modernised by Cone. Oh, and it did not use any KSS for Vive fixes, it used KDS 300 AUS.
These are lift load coping. These are awesome codes. Hold them up, they're modernised! No! Oh, these used to be so nice. Let's start by going down. Oh, that's blue. It's an indicator. gosh, that's the one. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh, there's the panel. Let's go. I think these are lifts in the Kirk building. Have you? Oh, let's see. Lightning, talent. Oh, yes, organised by Colin. Capacity for those kilograms. It's got a P on every floor. Bundle. But it can't be. Switches. Yep, there are, and here's next to 8. Look at the indicator. Actually, you can see these actually are pretty nice.
Not in the lift areas. Okay, because it's hard to clean up.
Pick someone up.
Level 1 and exit to Kelburn Parade.
Which level are you going to?
3, please, mate.
Pick someone up at first floor. These used to be old lifts, but now they've been modernised. I think, and there's also fairly cool switch on level 1, 2. So level 3 is the main floor.
Why are you filming it?
Yes, I am. I'm the lift filmer. Yeah. Yeah.
Level 3 and accessible route to the overbridge.
Oh, door close box.
Hunter.
Doesn't. Yeah. This is the Kirk building. Oh. Look up. Dun dun dun. That is just so stupid.
Toadstool's going to
Here we are, 8th floor. Oh, and also these left, huh?
Level 8.
And then right, also has indicators and luggage cabinet. Let's go down to 3 in there. These are, oh my gosh, you have eco discs. They've been modernised into an eco disc. These are so nice.
I made that one.
Awesome, modernised, awesome eco disc. The lift's in like, oh, I remember. Yeah, the, oh dear, it's got, don't know, that is not a eco disc voice. It's a horrible, crap, generic voice. Mom, next lift. Oh, sorry, I forgot to press it.
And now to some building which names will pop up soon. Anyways, these are some nice schindlers, and these schindlers have custom floor indicators. And this is in the Hunter building, as I just found out.
Okay, let's go to the lift. That's a rather unusual lift. Okay. Anyways, these are the lifts at. Let me take a look at the building on the
This is
outside.
the last one, then you.
Oh, I'm catching that lift. Let's go
Well,
to.
he's going to use his time badly because we keep riding it about 20 times.
And lightning, talent,
You know, you've only got one time. You are allowed to ride.
and go out. Well, that's so true. That is on the 4th floor. One. What a weird indicator. Well, that looks good.
What's level 2 study now?
Oh, that's on level 2.
Daniel, this is the level that we need to be on. We're meant to be on level. It's okay, Bron's not.
Thanks for sending the lift up. One. Let's watch the lift go. And that's it.
The Hunter building actually has some unusual schindlers. So the schindler you just saw before has a custom floor indicator, and this schindler uses a segment indicator. What? That is really the land of rare schindlers.
Okay, this is the next lift at Hunter building. Oh, that's it.
You know that this is
Yes.
a secure area. Okay, press it and go down to the
Down.
ground.
Oh, segment 2 indicator.
Go
down,
that man
so-
let us in because he had a security guard. He had a security.
Boys. Oh, I thought I cut lightning tunnel. Oh, segment 2 indicator. Anyways,
Now,
very
Daniel,
person
nobody can see it. Huh?
Delay switch. Oh, 2 light switches, fan, special service. Alarm. Oh, this is left 3 in the Hunter building. That is just weird. And here we are, level 1. Let's sort another lift access where the lights are out. Well, this one doesn't.
Now let's
This one?
go out the door.
Lights
Which
on.
way do we go?
Anyways, let's go back up to 3, shall we?
No. Why are we going back up? You can go back up to 3. I'll wait here.
Okay.
Because I think we're going out.
Let's go 2. Actually, let's go 3. That was my bad. Here we are, level 2. That's on no, okay, let's go down to 4. Oh, great. It only takes 1 call at a time. Oh, my gosh. Oh, speaking of emergency telephone, lift number 3. I don't want to win out. Now we can go to 1. And the lights off. Let's just keep it down. I've never seen that type of indicator before. Here we are on level 1. There's a telephone. 3 to 4, so for not until we try after 10 seconds. And let's just lift to go. And that's it.
And now to a Schindler M series with a green segment indicator. And this is in a museum.
Okay, this is a lift at Patika. Let's go. Yes. Yep. Oh, okay. Schindler M series. Oh, wow. There's like an awesome lift. Mom, lift's come. Mom, the lift.
Pictures. We used to watch TV.
Yeah, I'm not going down those two.
That's pretty neat.
I like it.
Anyways, lightning, Talon. Anyways, that is your capacity. So blah blah blah. Anyways, you go. Yep, I'm not going down those 2 floors.
That evil fairy.
Oh, you'll feel your light.
Ooh.
I'm go out.
Really hope. Nicholson. After all that. That didn't last very long, did it?
Oh. Oh, don't push when you push one. I love it.
Oh, this isn't even a show.
No. It's taking so long to see the
Then we'll go.
beginning.
Then let's go back. Then we'll go back down to 1 and take a look at that exhibition.
These people are all from different countries. 2007.
That's not
Oh,
when,
it's Richard.
that's not when I was born.
That's right. Oh, we're back again. Here we go. And there's the evil fairy.
Let's watch down. Let's look out the window. So if it's been misted.
It's unusual to have a movie going inside the lift.
Yeah, that wasn't really there last time.
And it's unusual to have a
Dog.
lift with
It's unusual
a
to have,
misted window, isn't it?
and
Hey?
Yeah, it's not. Yup, it's a Schindler. Awesome Schindler, isn't it? What's your girl? So I've got that one and that's it. Look, back up the lift we go. We won't want it going. We won't want it going down because like what's all here? Mom. Oh wow. Let's go to 3.
No. down.
Yup, this is
You've got to behave yourself when
She
you get
wants me
outside.
to make her teeth strong.
What do you
Let's
take
have a
to look
look
at
at
gingerbread?
gingerbread. Hey, do you eat gingerbread? Toto? Do you? Why not?
Okay.
Really?
I think we already took a look at
It's
the
something that isn't
thing,
like
but if you guys
animal
don't
food, she just
see
stays.
it,
I thought she was omnivore.
lion.
She gets staying.
Too much sugar. Watch it go. That's it.
And now we go to the Memorial Theatre. And now this goes from floors 1 to 4. And this if used to be an older, sadly got modernized by Schindler into a generic. Except the inside it was stretched. What?
This is the lift at the studio building in the Memorial Theatre. Oh, I hope this lift is good. But so far, I've got horrible generics. Oh, I hope it's a nice lift. Isn't it gonna be so awesome? It's an awesome lift, isn't it? And no, it's a horrible generic. Oh dear. Oh well, at least it isn't that horrid. It's still indicator there. That might be much better. See, busy. Ah. Oh, well, here it comes. Yeah, we're having our production here. Come on, you. Oh my gosh, the Yoda Series 1 chime. My favorite. Comes. Oh dear, refurbished interior again. Oh. Well, right, let's go down to 1. Oh, Otis. And you.
Toe!
This is awesome.
No, Toto.
Lightning.
This one's higher up, isn't it?
Two rooms,
Picture.
20 purses. Light. So it's in 3 spun go out.
Toto, don't bite your
See,
ankle.
3, 2, 1, and
No, come on.
great G. Seriously. Anyways, this is on the first floor. But yeah, this is a map. There are some other lifts here, but they're all good platform lifts. So I'm used to filming. Come on. Yeah, really weird. Plus, that indicator being stretched like it's on a
Bone
jukebox.
to chew on when you
This
get home.
must have
You're
used to
such
be
a
an
good dog.
old lift.
No.
Modest.
You can't do that, Toto. That's a lot of weeks. It's going to be smelly in the lift. Yeah, people will be smelling that.
And must be the old panel.
No, toast sometimes.
Yup, as I'd expected. Use 3 on ground. Oh, you got an awesome balcony. So that's good. And
Thanks.
watch the lift go. And glitch. I think that's it.
And also in this building was a platform. And I did take photos of this, except I lost the footage.
Oh, wow,
Now we go
that's
to
an
the
interesting
Easter building, which is an oldest, modernized, and by Otis mod logic. Let's ride them.
Yep, these will be memorized into Otis Ginger. 6.
Door closing.
Oh, it's a talking lift. Oh, that's pretty. Let's go up. Lightning. Tiling. Fine, soft. Anyways, doesn't say the capacity, so but these are just so awesome. I think this is Wellington, is it? Oh, button go out and voice.
Lift stopping level 6.
That's the. There's no PI on either floor. And if you take a look here, that's Let's take a look at this. Oh, it's my bad. Anyways, let's got this. Oh wow, that's awesome. Mum, lift arrived. Anyways, got 0. Oh, door close works. Let's indicate.
No.
Awesome, lift these are.
No, they're friendly. There they are.
Is that serious? Oh my gosh, it's an August 2000! Sadly, it's 1 meter a second. Ah.
Level 0. Exit to Kelburn.
Exit the Kelburn, I already know that. There's a switches and someone has to lift it and... Oh dear, platform lift. I'm not filming that. Oh dear, that's it. I'm not filming that. It's also maintained by Kong.
And now to the first ever Schindler 5500s installed in New Zealand. And you can't recognise these as Schindler 5500s because they use Durst fixtures. Wow. And these are actually shut down in 2016 after the earthquake, and they're supposed to open this year. And let's ride them.
I don't want to shout you the copyright strike. And let's see what they are. No! They're horrible generics! Oh dear, let's call one. Hope one comes. Oh dear. These are so crap. These are good. Oh dear, and I think these have like the, oh dear, refurbished interior. No. Go 0. Oh, Schindler. Anyways, hey, there's CCTV! Have you? Button go out? Oh, it's already gone. Oh well. Capacity is, so go to 9. Indicate. Yep, these have been refurbished.
What's the number so alive?
I don't know, Putz. It's interesting, isn't it? I don't know whether it means you can go out both ways at the same time.
On the other side! Oh, horrid Jewers.
Ah, I saved it.
These are horrible. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Won't it? Yeah.
Oh dear.
You could be security camera. It's not security camera.
Bankrupt? That's it. 9. Oh, that's awesome. Let's see if we can get out and sit on the other side.
Can't we go on?
Latin, Italian. There's no pure on that side though.
You Toto, do you need to choose?
And bankrupt.
Okay.
And oh, never mind. Let's go. That is on 6. So if I got that guy on copyright. There is an exit on the 2nd floor, which is good.
And then what we do is we do a school tour.
Horrid isn't. Bankrupt. These are just horrid. And oh, yup, these are like the European style of generic indicators, are they? Please don't tell me they are. Well, actually, they are. Oh, never mind. That's it.
And now we go to the brand new hub. And this hub is actually pretty nice, really. And they have some platform lifts, which is so disgusting. But these actually are worth it because apparently they only go down to the lower area. So yeah, whatever. Anyways, there is actually another lift here, and this is some type of caged shaft elevator. It's a brand new elevator, which in this lift could have been the last Schindler 5500 to be installed in Wellington. Yeah, that's right. This lift is a Schindler 5500 using D series fixtures, the D8 edition. And
Awesome.
yeah, this goes on to be different 3 floors. And it was installed in 2012. Let's ride it.
See. Oh, that's odd. It's D-Series channel. It's got 3. Oh my gosh, these are should look D-Series. You
Oh, that's alright. You vomited
I can't believe I got. Let's go back down to 1.
She won't like
Latin, Italian. Let's have all that. Then we have the button go out. Oh my gosh, you're so lucky to have the girls.
Oh dear, she's very ill, isn't she?
Oh, and now let's go to
Floppy the sickness boots.
and the Toto.
Oh,
D-Series.
And Toto's also missing one.
Is she? Maybe you shouldn't have bought it, boys.
Was lucky. That's up on the 3rd floor. Awesome, yeah. And there it goes, and that's it.
And now to McLaurin lecture feeders. And this is an old expression with the buns replaced with the M series. And the bun setup is so weird. Like the first bun to one falls on the left side and the other one is on the other side. This is so weird.
Unusual lift.
Wow.
An incredible one, and it's hydraulic.
Hi.
How do you know it's hydraulic?
Isolation switch.
How do you know it's hydraulic?
There's a hydraulic pump. There's no indicator capacity.
Hey, how do you know it's hydraulic?
Must have been a modernised lift. And then a voice. Oh, well, that is bad. The light.
Daniel, it's for people in wheelchairs.
Wait, go.
Yeah, I get the point. And that.
And now to some brand new science building. And these lifts were installed by Otis. And yeah, this building opened in 2022. And left here are some regen drive Otises. And yeah, when I first visited these lifts, they hadn't even been finished installed yet. So I came back a few months later.
Wow. Anyways, that's your first ever look inside that lift. That's it. Okay, these are the new Otis regen drives in the new Tokyo Island building. That's the right one. Here's a bill. The lift. It's got a 4. Yeah, nice Otis regen drive button. Lightning. Don't know what's going on. This lift. Lightning type cab. Capacity 8 person 3 kilograms. Undergrad. Level 4. And yes, they always have here on every floor. It's got a 0. Oh, that's already burned out. Oh dear, we got Mr. Security with us. Oh, nice and regen driver. Usually. Yeah, level 0. Where does this open out? Oh, it opens out this side. Wow, that's so awesome. And let's just go back up to 1 and finish there. RFID card. Wait, did the door close? I have no idea what's going on with these lifts. Regen drive's already messed up. Oh well, reset best with new technology. And yup, there's a problem with this lift. The end. This is the other lift into Tokyo Island. It's called another Otis regen drive, everyone. Hope this one doesn't have problems.
And now
like
to the
last
other lift, which is bigger than the first 2 lifts. And this lift is a regen drive.
0. Doesn't go up to floor. Doesn't have floor 4. PR. Switch. Lightning. Okay. Capacity to it's got a 600 kilograms. Persons. This lift also is a PI. It doesn't even have problems. Funny card doesn't work. The indicator's way up there. Oh, the regen indicator. Like it does that when it's wasting. Maybe it uses wasted power on upwards, but not downwards. Let's just go down to 1 and finish there. Oh, those regen drives are so good. They're completely efficient. Floor 1. And let's go. And
now we go to Cotton Building, which has some awesome lifts and awesome old odors and nice old electricity. But sadly, both lifts got modernized by Schindler and now have dual buttons. Anyways, now we go to lift A, and this lift was modernized in the 2000s. Oh dear. Anyways, let's ride it.
switch. Let's call the others. Man, lift down here. You dear, might even have company with us to travel on it. It's cold. Bumblebee winter. Let me see. Which one are we going to? We go to 5. Come in. Lightning, Tallinn, indicate. Yep, this is the lift in the cotton block. Stopping it. Where's the number? Oh, I get it. It still has the. Oh my gosh, I get it. It's got the original logic. Cab view. Capacity 400 kilograms, 23 pounds. I don't know who modernized this anyway. Oh, who cares? It's crap. Horrible.
Lift stopping level 5.
I'm taking off on level 5. Oh, wow. Oh dear. Is that feeling? Mum, come in.
Oh,
Don't know what that is.
Going like this.
Oh dear, switches.
And Daniel, I don't think everybody would exactly enjoy looking at the exact
It's all
same
green
one.
for down, red for up.
Lift stopping level 1. Going up.
We can't be bothered with this. Let's go. Oh, there it goes. And that's it. This is the awesome.
Now to lift B, and so the lift has been modernized except the outer indicators are still in use. Wow, that is so awesome that they've done this.
Heavy. Oh, let's go 5. Well, let's maintain calm. Lightning. Time. Oh, actually, it's identical. Lightning. 20%. But do you like eating fish fingers?
Yeah.
You will eat them, will you?
Yep, these used to be old express lifts, but they had a mod. Original. Anyway, I don't know where that goes. That's me. Oh, wow, it's got. Oh my gosh, it still has the original chime. The original chime. Mom, Oh, dear.
Would you like those?
Yeah.
Would you? Chicken nuggets?
Yeah, chicken. I just hate to see the old express.
It's just that this side.
Oh dear.
Right.
Well,
Or
hate
we
old
just
express
bake
being
them,
modded.
then
It's
they wouldn't be so good.
But I really went out.
okay, but it's huge. They
That's
just
the
get my
indicator. That's our indicator. So, while to do this, we can switch in. That must be it.
And now we go to the next lift, which is the lift in the gym. And this lift is a nice second generation eco lift, and floor 6 is a staff only lift. But it's unlocked! Wow.
I don't know, we are going up to 6. You know what? I don't know why 6 was unlocked. 6. And it is usually just an office. Let's go down to 1. Lightning, title, can. Capacity is 12 and kilograms. I could go if this was installed in 2005. 1. And it opens on this side. I think this is an emergency exit only. This door is not used to be an entry or exit. Interesting. Go up to 5. Wait a minute. Boost. We're at floor 5. Yeah, that's all. It did not show. Oh, sorry for getting Mum's face on camera. That's it.
And now to Ellen McDermott building, which is the lift that has floor B above or maybe below floor 0. Wow. Floor 0 should have been called B2. Anyways, now we go to the lift, which looked like they would play some Schindler T-series. They're now gyms and not really interesting.
Yup, level 0 is horribly locked.
They have to be
Oh
interesting.
dear.
For example, Teachers College is different.
Sick from motion.
Okay, do you know how much longer are we going to be here, sweetie?
Oh, until we got all the lifts done. There's only like 2 more to do.
Oh! And it will probably go down 10 times.
Yup. There were ones locked. Let's go down.
But it'll be going up and down.
So that's all right. You're going to have dinner now, so that's fine. It's nice to share the time.
But what if
Yeah, level 0's locked. And so
Do you want to wait outside?
basement must be as well. I don't. Anyways, basement may not be locked, but I'm not going down there because I have claustrophobia. Holy generic indicator. Oh my gosh, maybe that used to be a Schindler D series, and it's been modded. Oh dear. Anyways, that's it.
And now to the service lift, which I sadly wasn't able to ride, which is annoying. And it's another generic. Oh wow! So nice to see that this lift didn't replace the Schindler D2s. Well, I don't know if it did, except yeah, it's not pretty boring and not really interesting to ride it. Now we go to the Labor building, which also had a nice odor, which also got modernized by Schindler, and it now looks generic as well. And yeah, it has duous buttons and it doesn't look like any of the others. Wait, yes it does.
Original charm. Let's go down to 0. Alt. Oh, it's in the lady block. Yeah, view. Alt. Original alt. Pass. 24 persons. Let's go to 5. work into cover. Yeah, I'm gonna just go up to 5, then I'll do, go back down, then I'll go out again, and walk down the stairs because I don't want to get stuck in here. This is horrible. Oh my gosh, but we forgot one thing. This is fine, don't go out. Yep, this used to be an old Otis. Anyways, let's go out. Here it is. Bit of view. Wow. And that's an awesome view. And that's it.
And this building also has a surf lift, and this surf lift is original old Otis. Wow! And the lift also has a manual door, and as usual, I know I had to film this lift before. And now, there's also the Central Services building, except this building is not for public. Let's see if we can get in it. Ooh.
Oh, it's just a lot warm. There's no lift in there. Oh well. Anyways, that's it.
I'm good.
This is one I looked at Tipuni Village. Anyways, this kind lady over here, let me...
And now to a lift in one of the university flats
Thanks.
buildings, and this lift is just another Gensu. And there are multiple Gensus here, except I was only allowed to ride this one.
Anyways, if you wonder what these are only apartment buildings for the people at Victoria University.
And you're gonna go to, if you push 7,
Let's go to 7.
that's where the office is.
Yeah. That looks good. And it doesn't show the capacity, that's odd. That's 7.
And they'll be able to tell you for sure.
And
The office is right around the corner here.
this is the dining room. And over there, I bet it's the same lift. The